Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you're having a kick-ass day. This will be one of the Wednesday update videos. So, it's actually Tuesday, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow, Wednesday, so it's been getting too long, and I gotta mow at least twice a week now, maybe even 3 times. I don't know. We got that Earth Science Lawn Food Plus that we put down. You can see that video up here. And temperatures have still been pretty cool, so, but she's growing. Doesn't she look good? Damn, that's some sexy grass. Let's cut it. They're too wet. She's too thick. All right, so what the heck? Let's also, let's put a new blade on. Link in the description below for this blade. Make sure to match it up. You don't want to be like that Alan Hain guy and put it on backwards. Yardies, she is thick back here. Wow. So today's Tuesday. I mowed the yard on Saturday. So 3 days, it grew an inch. It was the same height. but I cut it last Saturday. So I guess we're going. It's go time. This area, clearly not as thick. This is the new area. This area, super thick. Mower's getting bogged down. So now we're gonna grab, got the yard mowed. Now we're gonna grab this light. We're gonna put that up. So I'm gonna mount this. Just found this treated board in the garage. Just wanna mount that to there first. And then I'll mount the board on the pole. Alright. Got some screws in my pocket. And I got my other hand holding the camera. That's not right. Alright, so I'm basically just gonna go up as high as I can here on the pool ladder and then mount it. Don't try this at home, folks. Hold on, I think I heard a crying kid. All right, so it was my daughter that got hurt, fell off her bike, got a little scraped up knee. Dad took care of it, cleaned it up, Neosporin, Band-Aid, good to go. All right, now we put the light up there. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for future yard guy content, and I hope you yardies have a kick-ass day. See you in the next video.